Who put that stud right there? Offending person. Is that you?
Mm-hmm.
Still hits. Did it hit? You know, this doesn't really matter. It just looks good. Makes no difference being on center. Because I'm going to move it. But it looks good when it's on center, right?
Checking the case anyway, right?
Well, if you knew where the center was, you would know. No, we didn't do that yet. Well, we're supposed to check that too. Jeez. You mean like this one? Problem is I hit here. Can't go down low enough. Ooh. It's not perfect. That gasket that's over here is caught, making it not be full.
Was that what it is?
Yes, it's out. I don't know who put the thing together like that. It's kind of a stupid move. Oh, too much. Sensitive.
It's a big old hammer.
Bigger hammer. Somebody tighten the nut down too tight. Ooh, that hurts doing that. Yeah, it's good enough for you. Ooh. Happy?
I like it.
Okay, it's all centered up, but we're not going to keep it there though. You know why we're not keeping it there?
Because we need to
Because
move
that
it
hole's
off.
not on center.
No, it's not even close. But it's level. And the case wasn't too damaged.
Semi-level. If you had the darn, didn't have the gasket sitting there like you got it, and the case of the machine square, and the milling machine was square, it might be good. Put all those together. I don't know why you're knocking my crap over. Why don't you get on the other side of me?
Alright.
Between me and my tools. You understand. Stand over there, you're out of the way. Okay, what's the center line dimension of this?
Got me.
I'm going to guess somewhere in that area. 1.86. I like 1.9 better. 1.9. You like that number? How far off center is it this way?
It's 1.9. 1.3.
Ooh. We're 1.750 right now. Close. Oh, that hurts. Why does that hurt? center drill. Goes right in the hole. Like that.
Some collets.
Get some air.
Mm-hmm.
She's hooked.
Sick.
Oof. It spins pretty straight for some reason, I don't know why. Well, you weren't even close. Damn.
I told you 1.9. Go at least 1.9. Oh, you 1.6 now. Dropping down.
1 5/8. There's 5/8. A lot closer this way though. Look at that. 1 5/8. Actually, a little more than that. 638. 640 maybe? How's your dimension that way? You know what happens if you're off, don't you?
Yeah, it's going to put that stud at an angle. Measurement at the top and the bottom won't
No,
be
the
the
angle will be
same.
fine. The angle's good. Just the location will be different. There it goes in the hole.
What's that bottoming on?
Case. I think we're pretty close. 625 and 640.
A couple thou.
Yeah, within a couple. Because the hole wasn't stripped all the way to the bottom, and then went all the way to the bottom. Can drill a hole in there if you want. It's kicking over this way. So. $650. 10th thou off. How come you didn't know that?
What are you talking about? That's exactly what I said. 650.
625 and 650, but we're at 624.4 because you didn't give it that last little bit. That extra 6/10 is going to make a difference, so we're going to kick it in there for you. There, you like that? 625, but it's 2/10 off on the other number. Can you live with 2/10 there?
I can.
It's going to push it down.
It went to 3.
The drill hit the bottom, and the bit kicked over a little bit, so I had to move it over until it didn't kick over anymore. So that's why the 650 was in there. So now you know the hole location for that hole. If you have to redo it.
650, 625.
Yeah.
These cases come apart again. They're paperweights.
Center line dimension. Well, we don't know if this stud's bad because we can't get it out, so we're leaving it. Okay, what are we doing? You know what we're doing?
Mm-hmm.
We took all my notes, I lost it all. I have to play this by ear. We have a drill.
What drill is that?
Are you in the wrong spot again?
I was looking at your chart behind you for a second.
We have a drill, a spot facer, expander, but we're missing a tap. Tap. That's your procedure assembly.
Beautiful.
Got that figured out? Yeah, we need one of these. One of those. You know how long these are? That long. Okay, so this has to go in the hole. Oh, that hurts. Why does it hurt lifting my arm up like that? This is not a
Eject.
This is not a stock drill size. handle than the other one. Why do all those broken parts hurt when you do that? We have a problem here.
That wasn't the machine making that noise. That was your bones knocking together.
Probably was. It hurts. Boom. That'll work. What size is it? That side. Official tool. Okay, how far down do you want to go?
That far.
So it comes out the bottom?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. What speed we are on? About that speed? Oh my god, that's too much. Threads are gone.
No more threads.
Do you think we should put some oil on it? We already drilled the hole.
Don't burn up that brand new bit.
Now we put the oil on it. All the way through. The insert came out the bottom. See that?
Mm-hmm.
Your insert.
Mm-hmm.
So it's holding it all together. It's not a blind hole, it has a hole in the bottom. See, no jig is required when you have a milling machine. Sounds like it broke. That part's done. How far does that go down?
3/8, half inch.
Goes down until it stops.
What is that? Is that for the collar at the top of the insert?
Yeah. It has a step right there, see? It only goes down so far, and then it stops. You know what happens in the real world? If you keep pushing them, they keep going down.
It's more of a visual reference. What kind of oil do you put on there?
Right out of that tank over there.
Is it the same from the press?
Nope.
The hone, I think.
Oh,
Cutting oil. Can't tell if it stops cutting or not. So, you take the insert and put it in the hole. Ideally, you want the insert to be below the surface. That usually means you're probably pretty close. It is below the surface. You think it's all the way down? Still wants to cut somewhat. Well, I never trust it. It's way below the surface now. I think we're going to quit. It's against the surface. like it's against the surface.
Stops in the right spot. These rags suck in the machine shop area. All
Mm-hmm.
they do is fill up full of chips.